Hi there, I'm Colette. If I were to start freelancing from scratch in 2024, there would only be 5 skills that I would possibly consider learning. I earned over 6 figures in 2023 transitioning into full-time freelancing, and I have earned over $1 million. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what these high-income skills are, how to learn them, and how to become an authority in your niche by taking advantage of your newfound skill. But before we dive into it, let me tell you about an exciting opportunity, the Upwork 15-Day Challenge. As a freelance coach, I'm passionate about helping others succeed in this field. The challenge is completely free and conducted by email, designed to equip you with the essential skills and strategy to excel on Upwork. Check the link in the comments to sign up, and let's get started on your freelance adventure. First up, its landing page. For modern businesses, a compelling landing page can be literally the difference between success and failure. This skill involves an understanding of user experience, design principles, and conversion rate optimization skills. Every business needs a landing page. I personally created landing pages for automation agencies, coaches, real estate, businesses, consultant, and you name it. Where's the best place to learn? In order to get started, I'd start by grabbing myself the free plan on code.co, and you can start building 3 pages completely free. Then with the help of YouTube and platforms like Udemy, I'd learn the importance of conversion rate optimization. This will set you apart from just a regular landing page. When it comes to charging, you can charge customers anywhere between $300 and $3,000 plus in some cases. It depends on a few things like your skill level, the client size, and the complexity of the build itself. Moving on to skill number 2 is copywriting. The skill of persuasive copywriting is so important, whether it be marketing, advertising, brand, storytelling, or whatever it will be. A good copywriter can captivate an audience and boost sales massively. Beyond just attracting customers, copywriting creates long-standing relationships with the provider and with the client. It's the vital part in any business's success. If you want to learn copywriting, you should buy this book called Cashvertising. There are plenty of communities online that focus purely on digital marketing and copywriting. The next skill has taken the internet by storm recently. It's called no-code automation. Now, it does have a steep learning curve compared to the previous 2, but we are now in an era where efficiency is king. Being skilled in automating tasks and workflow is truly invaluable. This can range from simple email automations to highly complex business process automations. In terms of learning, there are plenty of courses on YouTube or Udemy where you can learn, like Zapier, Make, and other automation tools. That directly leads me into the 4th skill, and that is data visualization. Selling data visualization as a service in 2024 is highly beneficial for freelancers due to more data-driven decision-making made by businesses. This allows freelancers to display the data in clear, impactful manner, enhancing clients' understanding and decision-making. It caters to diverse industries that offer a competitive edge in the freelance market and keeps one relevant in a quickly evolving landscape. You can use tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Google Data Studios to get started. The last skill that has been popping up more and more for me, because honestly, a lot of people can't do this type of high standard video editing. As videos are constantly blowing up on the internet, being good at editing is a much sought after skill moving forward to 2024 and 2025 and beyond. I've personally seen people charge $3,000 per month for just one client in video editing services. It's absurd, but that usually includes a few long-form videos recorded a month. 30 short-form clips can be uploaded on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and so on. The best place to learn video editing, to be honest, is YouTube or any trustworthy or proven courses that teach you editing online. By mastering one of these skills, you're not just learning freelancing, you're putting yourself at the forefront of the freelance revolution that is happening in front of us right now. Don't forget, the future is in your hands, so start learning today and you will not regret it. Also, be sure to watch my no interview, no phone, part-time work from home for Job 2024 in the videos below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for my videos. And remember, the Upwork 15 Days Challenge is free and will be on an email basis. So sign up through the link in the comment section below. I would love to be able to work with you in helping you improve and learn more on how to manage your Upwork account.